why is the world's biggest superpower throwing a temper tantrum over an internal Indian tax law? FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. This legal sledgehammer hits the floor of the Indian Parliament to permanently choke off unregulated foreign cash. But over in Washington, the US Congress is having an absolute panic attack. Well, that's because Washington didn't just lose an argument, they are losing a multi-billion-dollar remote control that they have used to secretly steer Indian policies for decades. Washington screams that tracking foreign money is an authoritarian assault on civil liberties. Really? This is coming from the exact same government that runs FARA, the Foreign Agents Registration Act. In America, if a foreign entity spends a single dollar to lobby or influence US politics without filling out a mountain of a federal paperwork, the FBI doesn't give you a lecture on human rights, they throw you directly into a federal penitentiary. The hypocrisy gets even worse when you look at Donald Trump's own election warnings. Donald Trump openly exposed this globalist game, explicitly blowing the whistle on deep state agencies like USAID for injecting millions of dollars into foreign elections under the innocent guise of voter turnout, just to manipulate who gets elected. Donald Trump's own administration aggressively moved to slash these exact international grants to protect sovereignty. Yet, his own party lawmakers demand that India keep its gates wide open for Western cash networks. Let's look at the absolute comedy of this charity money. Between 2019 and 2022, a staggering 55,741 crore rupees, over $7 billion, flooded into Indian NGOs from overseas. Christian organizations make up just 12% of charities in India, yet they somehow managed to receive 60% of that entire $7 billion foreign cash pool. Intelligence tracking caught the game red-handed. Foreign cash, disguised as innocent social welfare, was being systematically weaponized to fund artificial anti-development protests, block key Indian industrial ports, and keep border flashpoints like Kashmir on a permanent boil. India is pulling that ultimate plug. The new law sets up a ruthless designated authority with the powers of a civil court. The exact second a fake charity is caught playing games, the state can instantly seize, lock down, and take total custody of every single building, school, and acre of land bought with that foreign money. It completely vaporizes the shell organization loop. Washington is furious because their leverage is evaporating right when their active trade war backfired. And India flatly refused to sign a trade pact under their terms. New Delhi is officially proving that a rising economic and nuclear power cannot be bought or blackmailed. So keep your threats, Washington. We have the data, we have the laws, and the era of your dictation is eroding quite well. So follow for more such geopolitical updates and subscribe on YouTube.